Hello there. My name is Michael Heiser, and I'm an agency owner with Farmers Insurance. And I want to thank you, first of all, for taking some time out of your busy day to learn a little bit more about an industry that not a lot of people are familiar with, but which I believe offers the best small business opportunity in America. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. Insurance, that sounds incredibly boring. I don't want to think about insurance. I don't want to learn about insurance. I don't like paying my insurance bill. And I certainly don't want to think about spending the next 30 or 40 years selling insurance. And before I got into this industry 15 years ago, I would have agreed with you. There's nothing about insurance that sounds interesting. But after spending some time in this industry, I can tell you that every single day is completely different. I might be on Monday planning a marketing event. On Tuesday, I might be helping some clients with claim situations. On Wednesday, I might be updating my marketing and business plan. On Thursday, I might be paying my office bills, and maybe on Friday, I'm meeting with my staff members to help them increase their performance and make more money for themselves and for the agency. So I can tell you that with absolute certainty, the insurance industry is certainly not boring. So let me tell you a little bit about why I decided to join Farmers Insurance 15 years ago as an agency owner. And it's pretty simple. When I became a business owner, the one thing that I really wanted to make sure I had was the absolute freedom to make all the decisions in my agency. And with Farmers Insurance, that's exactly what I have. I don't want to be told who to hire, who to fire, when to work, when to show up at the office. If I want to take a vacation, I don't have to call anybody. If I want to leave work early because I have a family event, that's great. I don't need to call a boss and ask him or her whether or not that's acceptable. I am in control of every single facet of my day, and I am in control of everything that happens in my office. And that's exactly what I wanted when I became a business owner. So when I started at Farmers Insurance, I had absolutely no experience in the insurance industry. In fact, believe it or not, I was a systems engineer working for a large multinational company, and I have a degree in creative writing. So I'm about as far as you can possibly get from knowledge of the insurance industry as anybody that I've ever met that has become a professional in this business. But ever since I was young, the one thing that I remember back to the 8 years old, 9 years old, 10 years old, is that I always dreamed about owning a business. I would open up the newspaper and I would think about what it would be to, be the CEO of one of these large successful businesses that I was familiar with. And I knew that one day, if that opportunity ever became available, that I was going to take advantage of it. But growing up in a household with, a single mom trying to do the best she could to, just put food on the table, having two other siblings that she had to provide for, I knew that it was very unlikely that were ever going to happen. But thankfully, through the process of becoming an insurance professional, I was able to not only build a business, but to build a very successful business without having to have hundreds or thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars in the bank. So the great thing about Farmers Insurance is that despite the fact that I knew nothing about this industry, the award-winning training program that Farmers offers, as well as the support from a local district manager, helped me become the successful business owner that I am today. And I will never forget what Farmers Insurance did for me and what they've done for my family. So, frankly, if you're tired of going to a job that you don't like, if you're tired of working for a boss that you don't respect, or honestly, if you just want to take control of your own future, Farmers Insurance may be the solution for you. No matter whether you're a firefighter, a nurse, a teacher, a restaurant manager, a creative writing major who worked as a systems engineer for a company in the financial services industry like myself, Farmers Insurance can help you become a business owner, and they've done it for thousands of people in the past. So I want to invite you to give me a call or send me an email or send me a text. Reach out to me using the contact information provided in the description below this video. And I want to tell you all about the compensation program that Farmers has available, the bonus programs, the reward trips, all of the great benefits that I receive as part of being an insurance professional with Farmers Insurance. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Nobody can tell you what it's like to be an industry professional like an industry professional. And I'll be more than happy to tell you about some of the downsides to the insurance business. But I want to talk to you about the upsides as well and let you make a decision for yourself as to whether or not this is a great opportunity for you and your family. So give me a call, send me an email, send me a text. I really look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you. Take care.